Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're introducing you to All Things Open, a new platform that aims to continue the mission of the beloved OpenSource.com, which was shut down in 2023. For years, OpenSource.com was a central resource for open source news, insights, and community-driven content, bringing together a diverse group of contributors passionate about free and open source software. Now, All Things Open is stepping up to fill that void, and it's more important than ever to understand why. OpenSource.com, which had been active for over a decade, was well known for covering a wide range of topics from software development and community culture to hardware projects and educational initiatives. However, in 2023, the decision was made to close the platform, leaving many in the community without a familiar space to share and learn about open source. This closure raised concerns about the availability of open knowledge and resources. Fortunately, All Things Open has taken on the mission to carry on that legacy. All Things Open isn't just a website, it's a hub that celebrates the values of the open source movement: transparency, collaboration, and community-driven growth. The platform not only provides articles and educational resources, but also organizes events and meetups, including the renowned All Things Open conference. The site is dedicated to covering the latest in open source trends, tools, and practices, ensuring that the spirit of community learning and sharing continues. The transition to All Things Open is more than a change of name. It represents a renewed commitment to open source advocacy and education. By serving as a new home for articles, tutorials, and thought leadership, the site keeps the community informed and engaged, making sure that open source principles remain at the forefront of technological development. For developers, educators, and enthusiasts alike, having a central platform like this helps ensure that open knowledge is preserved and continues to grow. If you're passionate about open source, now is the perfect time to get involved with All Things Open. Whether you contribute an article, attend a meetup, or participate in their annual conference, your voice and skills can help shape the future of open source. Check out their website to explore the latest articles and find out how you can make a difference. In a world where access to open information is vital, All Things Open plays a crucial role in sustaining the open source community's values. Let's keep the spirit of openness alive. Visit All Things Open today and become part of the movement. Thanks for watching.